Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Designing a modern small home office involves balancing functionality with aesthetics to create a space that is both efficient and inspiring. Start by choosing a neutral color palette with pops of color to keep the area bright and welcoming. Opt for multifunctional furniture such as sleek with a built-in storage or fold-out table to maximize space. Ergonomic chairs are essential for comfort during long work hours. Incorporate open shelving or wall-mounted organizers to keep the desk clutter-free. Good lighting is critical. Combine natural light with task lighting to reduce eye strain. Add personal touches like artwork, plants, or a cozy rug to make the space feel inviting. Technology integration is the key, so consider cable management solution to keep wires tidy. Accounts, panels, or rugs can help dampen noise, creating a quiet work environment. A mirror can make the room feel larger and more open. Finally, ensure the space is adaptable, allowing for ease reconfiguration as your needs change. This approach to modern small home office design ensures a productive, comfortable, and stylish workspace. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.